This show has been the best show I've been at for a very long time. A lot of new customers from different areas, which surprised me, and meeting all these new customers has been a huge opportunity for me. I've got sales calls already lined up for next week.
Ton of networking. A lot of people that really know what's going on with their business are the ones that are here and having engaging conversations, and you have the real forward thinkers at this show.
Oh, I think it's a must attend. It is, these are the plant people that you need to connect with. For us as a plant grower, it's one of the opportunities to get beyond the catalog, beyond the website, really touch the plants, talk about the plants, hear the questions that people have for you.
I would say if you are looking to get that finger of the pulse of the business, if you want to engage in conversations, if you want to sit down and have a meal with people, not only the business owners, but I think the caliber of the exhibitors here it's pretty high level.
What we love as a vendor is the fact that it's the garden center owner and the managers that are there. It's the decision makers. And so we had wonderful conversations, great interactions, but more than that translated into sales for us this season.
The attendance has been vibrant. The energy has been exceptional. You're able to learn, you're able to network, you're able to collaborate, you're able to meet new friends, and ultimately leave with a toolbox of things that are going to advance your business in the future. There are a lot of shows that are out there. One in particular is a large show of a lot of different folks in the industry, but if you want to target market specifically to the independent garden center industry, this is the show that you want to be in.
So the show this year has been amazing. We've had great traffic, great interaction, folks are upbeat, great educational sessions, but also just great interaction in the booth. People really interested and engaged in ordering for 2024.
It's a better opportunity to have stronger conversations than any other event that's out there today. For us, strong relationships are built here. Either with customers or non-customers, it's still we're engaging, and I think it just benefits the whole industry.